Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different. It is a product review on a product that is absolutely amazing. Let me start off by showing you what it is. It is called the Beautifect and it looks a bit like this, like so. The product is described as a portable beauty studio that's redefining the way you do your makeup. The way it works is it's a case where you can store your makeup, but one of the really good things about it is actually the light. I'm just going to show you guys what the case looks like and what it looks like inside. There's two clasps on here, which is really secure, so it stops anything from leaking, anything like that. Your products are really safe inside, so you know nothing's gonna come out or scatter everywhere. It's very solid and sturdy. Now let me show you guys a front facing view of it. This is the Beautifect case. So it comes with a magnifying mirror and a lovely case for it as well, and a cloth to wipe your mirror with, the USB charger and the plug. This is so that you can charge the lights for it. Now this is the best part of it, the light. It's touchscreen, so you just tap it and it lights up, and the lights actually have 5 settings. This is bright sun, and then this is daylight, this is photo light, office light, candle light. My favorite has to be daylight or photo light. You can also change the brightness. You tap it and it lowers it, and this is the highest it goes up to. It's so true to the actual tones. So this will be daylight, which look how flattering that is. So if I turn that up, you guys can see the difference in brightness as well. And another thing that I really like about the lights for this is there's 2 panels, and sometimes with like the ring light it can be very harsh on your eyes, and especially if your eyes are very sensitive, you're looking right at a ring light. Whereas with this, unless you look at the light panels, you're not going to be blinded because both panels fit beautifully and you're looking on the center, so that distributes light evenly and it's not so harsh on just the center of the face. Like it distributes it evenly. Like if I turn, it's just even throughout the whole thing, and that's what I really like about this light system. And I just love the fact that it's so true to actual daylight, and I've never come across a lighting system that's actually like that. So you can wipe all of this down and clean it very easily. Another thing that I really liked about it in the sense of filming and content creation is the fact that I could literally from now on put my phone inside the box. From now on, like when I do lives or Instagram tutorials or anything where I'm getting ready, I don't actually have to use my ring light at all. I can put my phone on and film just like this, and I can also have all my makeup in front of me, so I don't have to faff about or anything like that. And it makes my life a lot easier to be able to just reach for things, and I'm not like going back and getting a brush. Like all my brushes are in front of me, like everything is in front of me, so all I have to do is literally just get ready, you know, and I don't have to worry about lighting, I don't have to worry about finding my makeup, I don't have to worry about where I get ready anymore. I can just sit down on my bed and get ready, or wherever. I can carry it around with me and take it anywhere I like. I can even take it on holiday. It's so versatile and portable that it just basically makes life so much easier. Guys, what it looks like filled with makeup in it, and that way you can kind of see how I kind of incorporate it into my daily life. So this is it filled up with all my makeup, and this is what it looks like. So it's really easy to locate everything. My eyeliners, my lip liners, all of that's here. My mascara and extra lip stuff, my brow stuff are here, my setting powder. Everything is visible and very easy to locate, like my foundations, my bronzer, my powders, my lashes. My brushes are all on one side and everything is in front of me, so I don't have to struggle to do my makeup, which makes life so much easier for me. I think the only downside that I would, not even a downside, I think as the product develops and things to look out in the future would just be different color variations, whether you can customize certain things, pick and choose what you can put into the product perhaps, and also cater it so you know you can fit larger eyeshadow palettes and things like that in as well. These two are basically my favorite palettes, and I would have to figure out a way to fit them in, things that they can improve in the future. But overall, I think it's a great product because it's really answered a lot of problems in regards to when you're applying your makeup, lighting, where you do your makeup. For one, like at 2 AM when I'm getting ready to like go and get my brides ready, I'm literally doing it with no lighting, and overhead lighting is not that great. It's like yellow lighting as well, so it's not flattering on your skin, so I don't actually know what I look like in daylight until morning when the sun's out. So this is a really nice way for me to get ready in the mornings and actually see what I look like. And I really can't wait to take this on holiday with me more than anything, because I swear to God, hotels do this thing where they always place the mirror completely away from the window or anything. And the lighting in a hotel room is awful because they either have no lights near the mirror or they have that yellow lamp, you know, and you just end up, you don't even know what colors you're putting on your face like after a while because it's just awful lighting. I don't even need to carry my makeup bags anymore. Usually when I get ready at a dressing table as well, for example, I would sit there and go back and forth, like grab, oh crap, I forgot my bronzer, oh crap, I forgot this brush, oh let me go and get that brush, oh let me go and get a bit of Fenty, oh, and then grab a bit of Becca, you know? But I don't have to do that. It's already in my Beautifect case for me, and I don't have to go and be like, oh, let me go get my like beauty blender. It's already in there, hun. Like, I don't need to move after, basically. Everything's there, I don't need to move. Like, what am I even searching for, hun? Like, everything's there. Yeah, like, thank you, Tara, you amazing woman, for coming up with this idea. Another thing is, the case isn't actually that heavy, but when you do like put your makeup in it, it does become a bit heavy. That's the only other thing about the case, but she sorted it out with the handle, right? So it's not really that much of a problem. Just to let you guys know, like it is a bit heavy when you do start putting your makeup in. It depends on how much makeup you do put in there as well at the same time. I would recommend just sticking to your essentials. Another advantage that I really like about this is the fact that I don't actually have to tidy up after. Guys, I don't have to tidy up. Like, you know how we all put our makeup away, or it's scattered all over the dressing table, on the floor, wherever you're getting ready, it's just everywhere, right? I literally just have to put my makeup back into this and we're done, hun. I'm not out here faffing about, you know, and wasting time putting it all away. I absolutely hate when I have to clear up my makeup after. It gives me anxiety, and I'm a messy person. Like when it comes to filming or anything like that, when I'm filming, my makeup is all over the place, like brushes everywhere. Sometimes I look at the end after I filmed it and think to myself, nah man, not today. Like literally I'm like, nah, it's not happening today. I will do this tomorrow. Whereas with this product, I can literally just chuck everything back in and be like, okay, cool, done, clean. I will leave the link down in the description below and Beautifect social media pages, just so you guys can check out pictures, videos of people using it, things like that, like what other people think of it. Yeah, but overall, I think it's a really, really, really good product. It is a bit more on the pricier side, but you do get what you pay for. You're paying for a stress-free life, hun. Do you know what I mean? Like you're paying to be stress-free and feel like you have together. If you guys have any questions at all that you want to ask about the product, just leave them in the comments below and I'll like get back to you. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't checked out my previous video, go and check it out. It's a little catch up, get ready with me. Stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.